Hello everybody, my name is Connor from 1 Minute English. So today we're going to talk about all and every. Okay, so they usually have the same meaning but just different uses. Okay, so we use all with plural nouns and uncountable nouns. So for example, I ate all the cakes. Okay, and we use every with singular nouns. Okay, so I ate every cake. Okay, it has the same meaning. Okay, here are some more examples. I like all the colors. I like every color. Okay, it has the same meaning. But there is a difference when we talk about time. Okay, so the first example, I studied all morning. Okay, that means from 6 a.m. until midday, when morning ends. Okay, and for every, it's different, right? I studied every morning. That means Monday morning, Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, every morning. Okay, that could be the same with work. I worked every day. That means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And if you say I work all day, that means morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, I hope that helps.